Welcome to Pullman, Chicago, Illinois. And here is our short adventure of the weekend. We are here at Pullman neighborhood, south side of Chicago, just south of 111th Street. And they are doing an open house today, so we actually get to go into some of the historic homes here and check this out. So it'll be a short one today, so today we are just going to go for it. The historic Pullman neighborhood was built as a town in the 1880s by George Pullman as workers' housing for employees of his railroad car company, the Pullman Palace Car Company. Here we are at the Green Stone Methodist Church, over 100 years old here in Pullman.
Church is over 100 years, but I'm done.
After George Pullman died in 1897, the Illinois Supreme Court required the company to sell the town. In 1889, the town and other major portions of the south side were annexed by the city of Chicago. Within 10 years, the city sold the houses to their occupants. Gradually, Pullman became a Chicago neighborhood. Read it alive. See, those are rail cars. I just love the architecture of this area and these row homes. Yard goals. In the 1950s, the neighborhood gradually declined along with work opportunities and income. Many jobs were lost in the city. People began to move to newer housing in the suburbs. In 1960, the original town of Pullman was threatened with total demolition for an industrial park. The residents lobbied, and the city was saved. 1970, Pullman was designated as a state landmark by the Illinois Historic Preservation Agency. And in 1972, South Pullman was declared a City of Chicago landmark. To protect the character of the historic districts, the city has established guidelines for new building and renovation. Here we are at the Pullman Elementary School boys entrance. We don't need those pesky boys bothering the girls, which their entrance is way down there. So it looks like we're gonna have to go in through this entrance. Maria is gonna have to go down through that entrance. Ah, it's locked. Looks like they closed the school at 2 o'clock from what I heard. I knew I should have gotten up earlier. Alright kids, no smoking in school. You heard them. Nicely done, Maria. Champion of hopscotch. Alright, we're gonna try this hopscotch game out. Let's see what we got. Ha! Nailed it. Alright, now we have made it all the way over here to the girls' entrance, very far away from the boys' entrance, which again was way down there. The girls over here, boys way down there. No pictures or video were allowed inside the homes on our tour. I guess it's understandable. I really wish I could show you the inside of these amazingly beautiful homes here in Pullman. Fence goals. That's good. Good, how you doing? What do we have here? It's cool looking. It's got a door. Oh, look at that. A Pullman book exchange. Adult, miscellaneous. Got your children's books.
I know, they're so creative.
Even the garbage cans get the artwork. come down the alleyway here, play a little song. How am I looking? In case you need to make a phone call. Oh, we got a skateboard down here. They look friendly. Why, hello there. How's it going? We've made our way back to the Greenstone United Methodist Church. This church was built in 1880 and has remained unchanged. From here, we'll continue north to 111th Street and check out some more Pullman. Ooh, Thunderbird. Another mysterious alleyway. Even in the alleyway, we all get thirsty. Cheers. Even in the alleyway, you gotta live, you gotta laugh, and you gotta love. How you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Hope their car's not in that one. I thought that because we couldn't film inside, this was going to be a really short visit. It was really quite the opposite, actually. Wish we had more time to explore. We're definitely coming back soon. There's so much more to see. Back to the flex. Matthew Hoffman created this really cool sculpture. He's the founder and the custodian of the You Are Beautiful project. The beautiful Hotel Florence here in Pullman, just off 111th Street in Chicago. entire buildings being rehabbed. The last time we were here, we couldn't even walk up here. It's all blocked off. Now we can get up on the porch. We were able to look in through one of the windows, and yeah, it looks good inside. Maybe next time when we come down here, we'll be able to check out the inside. If you have a chance to visit, do make sure to stop by the Visitor Center for information. And do watch the video that's playing. It gives a lot of great information, really tells the story of the town, and now the neighborhood of Pullman, here in Chicago. See you next time. Subscribe. Let's go for a skate.